Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken avocado burritos. It's one of our favorites. They're easy to make, not too many ingredients, so let's start putting it together. Alright, so now we're going to put our filling together for our chicken avocado burritos. So the main ingredient, we have 4 cups, probably a little more, 4 cups of chicken. I used a rotisserie chicken and just peeled it all apart, chopped it up. If you want to fry up chicken breast, you can certainly do that. This is handy, and there's a nice mix of white and dark meat in there. I'm going to add that in. 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. We have about a half a cup of cilantro. 2 avocados that we diced up. About 4 tablespoons of sour cream. And about 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And last but not least, we have about a tablespoon of salt and pepper. We're going to mix that in. Next, we're going to take a spoon and we're going to mix this up to get everything blended together nicely. Okay, we have that all mixed together nice. Next, we're going to get our tortillas ready. Alright, so now we have our filling all put together, mixed. We have some pretty big flour tortillas. We're going to put about a cup or a little less than a cup to fill each of these. Just like so. Okay, and now we're going to fold it, put the sides in, fold this over, and then just roll it over just like that. Boom. That's how you do a burrito roll, Andrew. So we're going to keep on doing that till we use the rest of our filling. And then we're going to butter these and fry them. So, see you in a little bit. Okay, so now that we have our burritos put together, we are going to fry these. And I put a little butter on each side. We're going to do the seam side down first. And once that gets slightly brown, we're going to turn them over. But as they're sitting here, I'm going to put some butter on the other side as well. Okay, let's take a peek. It's getting brown nice, so we're going to turn those over. And let that side brown up nice as well. Alright, now that they're all done, let's go ahead and chop this apart so you can do that crunch. Ooh, there's the chicken, melted cheese, cilantro, everything else good. So we're going to try these out. We're going to do a taste test and see you in a second. Hi Riley and Trevin. Hi. Give the chicken avocado burrito a taste.
Good.
Good?
Yes, very good.
You've had this before. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, and please think about subscribing, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.